In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to redeem a Lidl gift card. Let's get started. First, make sure your Lidl gift card has remaining balance. If you're unsure, you can check the balance using the official Lidl gift card balance checker for your country or ask a cashier at any participating Lidl store. Next, shop for the items you want to purchase and proceed to the checkout. When it's time to pay, let the cashier know that you would like to use a Lidl gift card. Present your physical or digital gift card to the cashier. They will scan the card or enter the gift card details into the payment system. The value of your purchase will be deducted from your available gift card balance. If your purchase total is more than remaining balance on your gift card, you can usually pay the difference using another accepted payment method such as a after your purchase is complete, keep your gift card if there is any remaining balance. You can continue using it until the balance is fully spent or until the card expires if there is an expiration date applied. And that's it. Now you know how to redeem a Lidl gift card and use it to pay your purchases. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.